what's good, yo? We on the way to Walmart to get the Lil Yachty pizza. Get to y'all when we there. Yeah, Walmart with it. About to get the Lil Yachty pizza. See if it's up to the hype. About to rate it. We found the Lil Yachty's pizza. Gonna grab one of these. Pepperoni and bacon. What you gonna get? You gonna get buffalo chicken?
This is hot cheddar.
We gonna cook both of these and review them both.
Hot cheddar.
W, found them. Secured the bag. Secured it.
Bro, you bitches slap.
We've arrived at the pizza shop.
And we here with the Cheeto pizza.
Sir, you already know.
I don't know what all that shit is. I think those are Funyuns, bro.
Oh, hell no! See what we got? This is like a regular pizza. Just gotta adjust it a little bit and it'll be smacking. Phoenix here wants the Lil Yachty pizza. Tony Tron is modifying the pizza. You gotta make it right.
Bro, you gotta get more cheese on this. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be fucked up.
Need more cheese. They got them hooked up.
They're looking better already, bro. Like, it's looking less like Cheeto pizza, more like buffalo pizza. You know?
Facts. It ain't no Cheeto pizza no more. Just gotta adjust these around real quick. Yeah. Gotta put it up in there. Made some minor modifications to this. Set this to 400. About to put this bad boy in. Putting some more cheese on it. Yup.
Phoenix, what the fuck?
Hop on it, ask real quick.
Bro, Trey.
He really just talking to you like that.
Yeah, you might as well,
We all right here, Troy.
Y'all ain't on shit, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Your eyes look like one of them alien creatures from Men in Black.
Marco, you
You heard him?
you would get
You
your
heard
ass
him?
beat.
You heard him?
Devo know not
You
to
heard
play.
him?
He knows his limits, bro.
Nah, bro. We will 3v1 you, bro. Whoa.
Whatever, bro. I'm not. Should I be Men in Black for Christmas?
It's also a function up there. It was on toast up here.
Oh,
I never did that.
okay. Don't
That's why
care.
pizza was just broiling this shit. Everything. That's not on me, bro. I ain't do that shit. I ain't get home.
That shit.
It was on toast.
That shit better should be.
Nigga, that was probably y'all dumbass niggas from yesterday. Y'all the ones, or a couple days ago, was fucking making pizzas.
Pizza's ready. Time to throw the other one in.
Same thing when you're saying that. I'm like, what the fuck?
Fucking burning my shit.
All for the Yachty pizza.
All for fucking Yachty pizza, bro. Fuck.
The toasted ass Yachty's pizza.
That's not pizza toast, bro.
This shit fire. I'm fucking with it. Gotta try the other one. This the other pizza.
Bruh. Yeah, this shit will pop.
The Debo Incorporated right here. Honest review, Travis, and the Lil Yachty pizza.
On Lil Yachty pizza, that shit bustin'. I ain't even going.
What do you rate it out of 10?
That barbecue one, I'm gonna have to give that shit at least motherfucking nigga 7.
Oh, God. What you rated out of 10?
What? Pepperoni bacon one? 7 out of 10. The barbecue one?
Nigga, what? Your shit
What about the barbecue?
That shit 9 out of 10.
Bro, barbecue busted.
Poppin' drip, drove to Vertanim. Did the dash home and switched the whips just to skirt the deem. Looking like an angel, poppin' 30, she a perky deem. Bitch walking out the farm with some V cuts. I don't sell shit, bro, and them had to re-up.